Architects, specifiers, building owners are asking for a different product today than they were even 10 years ago. And a lot of that has to do with indoor air quality.
I'm Tim Hill, a managing partner at Reisinger Build. Our model speaks to all building science and all the features of home construction, whether it's weatherization, insulation, air sealing, and of course indoor air quality. Currently today we're insulating the interior walls for soundproofing. Whatever it takes for us to put in a healthy sound barrier system room to room is right on top of their list.
The way that sound is going to travel through an interior space and through a wall is if you have drywall on one side of the wall and drywall on the other side of the wall, there's that empty cavity where the sound energy just moves through uninhibited. By putting insulation in that cavity, we're adding mass and we're also adding an absorptive material. So if we insulate those spaces and we cut down on noise from room to room, we'll have a quieter house, it'll be more comfortable. But there's also a peace of mind aspect to it as well, that we're insulating these spaces with products that don't have formaldehyde or any other petrochemical or oil-based components in them.
If they're looking at indoor air quality for this house, they couldn't have picked a better product to use on the fiberglass side than our EcoBat. Because of our ECOS technology, that really is what sets us apart. This is actually the caramelization of the natural sugars in the plant-based binder when it's heated up, and it turns a brownish color. So it's all natural. If they're going to go with the fiberglass insulation in this kind of a build, this is the best product to have.
The other thing that doesn't get brought up enough is the people who are actually installing it and their safety and their comfort and not having the same irritation levels that they might with other products.
My understanding from the installer is that they like the workability of the product. It's easy to cut, easy to friction fit in between the studs, and it seems to hold itself in place better. And of course they like the fact that it doesn't seem to cause that reaction that they're used to from traditional fiberglass products.
You know, we're doing the things that are going to make the product safe, but it's also going to be a lot safer for the environment.
We as builders, as general contractors, can tell you that we appreciate industry leaders, manufacturers who step out of the box, because that's a risk on their part. It's easy for them to stay in the same model and continue manufacturing the same way year over year, but to step out of that and try something new, that has value to general contractors and builders, and we appreciate it.